Good morning, everybody. For people that don't know Chicama, this is the video we are gonna make to show you step by step the wave that you can surf in Chicama. There are different waves and different surf spots where you can surf depending of your level and also the condition of the swell. One of the first places you can easily find is this surf spot that is called El Hombre section. The section of El Hombre start if you see that mirror or the point where you can watch all the beach and the hill. In front of the hill there is a platform of rocks and the wave cross in front of that platform and goes all the way to the direction of the pier or el muelle. Yes, so you can see the wave now there. Uh, it's normally bigger when the swell is big. This swell probably is not actually connecting pretty well, pretty big for now, but still the wave there you can notice and goes all the way to the beach until it goes to the other beach until you see the pier. And you come off there and you have to walk all the way back to the platform and you can get in on the other side or or for this side too, in and out. Okay, from the other side of the rocks or on the other any side you can choose. Yes, and for the people that doesn't know, many people think that the waves are out of the town. This is the town. Yes, like the boulevard or and you can walk to the other surf spot from here. For example, Chicama surf camp is right there, one block behind, and you just decided which beach do you want to get, this one or the other, and that's how you start. In this case, it's better to surf on the point. So we are gonna walk to the point, and then we are gonna do another video showing you the wave in and the wave that are all around Chicama. Actually, there are a few more waves to show you in different places in Chicama. So we are going to show you step by step, and that's it for now. So I hope that video helped you to uh, answer your questions about how far is the wave from the town and how far the wave goes and how many waves are in Chicama. We are gonna show and answer your questions step by step. See you later.